RTL-SDR has a Type A USB connector at one end and an SMA connector at the other end. The SMA connector will go to the antenna and USB connector will go to the computer, laptop or desktop computer. We need an SMA to SO239 patch cable in case we want to connect to an external antenna with PL259 termination. This is how the patch cable is connected to the RTL-SDR. Now the other end can be connected to external antenna with PL259 termination. RTL-SDR is a low-cost software-defined radio dongle which can be connected to the computer and needs a software installed in the computer. Though some SDRs like HackRF and BladeRF are capable of transmitting, RTL-SDR is receive only. Community-developed software is available free of charge. RTL-2832U chipset-based DVB-T TV tuner dongles were modified to produce RTL-SDR. DVB-T stands for Digital Video Broadcasting Terrestrial. Receive frequencies can range from 500 kHz up to 1.75 GHz, which is quite a wide range useful for the radio hobbyist. It can run with single board computers like Raspberry Pi and even with Android mobile devices.